So in this video, we are going to discuss how to do multiplication related to fractions. So let's go to the video. This is my first question. That is 2 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 6. Okay, this is very easy. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to check if there is anything we can simplify in numerator and denominator. A same denominator or else the same numerator can be cut off. No, so we are going to check 2 and 3 we can't simplify, 5 and 6 we can't simplify, and also we can simplify these things in diagonally also. So 2 and 6 can we simplify? Yes, we can simplify, right? Here 2 times 1, 2 times 3. Okay, now that's it. Now 5 and 3 cannot be simplified, so this is the simplification itself. So now what we are going to do is we are going to multiply the numerators and denominators separately. Okay, so 1 times 5 is, that is 5, and 3 times 3 is, that is 9. Okay, that's it. So this is the final answer, and we are moving to our next question. So the question number 2. 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 4 multiplied by 6 over 2. So we have 3 numbers together. So don't get confused. Just check whether you can simplify anything or else you can just get the answer. So here 2 times 1 and 2 times 1. And also I can simplify 3 and 3, right? So here 3 times 1 and 3 times 2. So, and also there is another thing we can simplify. 4 and 2 also can be simplified, right? Okay. So 2 times 1, 2 times 2. That's it. So now we are getting the answer. Just look. 1 times 1 times 1. Answer is 1. That is the numerator. 1 times 2 is 2. That 2 times 1 is 2. So this is your final answer. Very easy. So we are moving to our next question. Question number 3. That is 3 over 5 multiplied by 15. Okay guys. So when you are having fractions to simplify and when you have a whole number there, you will be little confused. So don't be confused. That is very easy. Whole number means that number is in the numerator. If it's difficult, you can just put 1 in the denominator. Okay, I'll put that. This is not compulsory. Okay, you can just do it. Okay, so now I'm going to simplify. Here 5 times 1, 5 times 3. Now that's it. 3 times 3 means 9. 1 times 1 means 1. If you have 1 in the denominator, that is useless. So no need to write 1 there. Answer is just 9. That's it. Next question. Now I have a mixed number as the next question. 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 8. So this is our question. Let's convert this one into a improper fraction. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 4 over 3 multiplied by 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 means 9 over 8. Now I am going to simplify this one little further. 3 times 1, 3 times 3, and 4 times 1, 4 times 2. So the answer is 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. So is this the final answer? No. This is a improper fraction. So we have to convert this one into a mixed number. 1 over 2. This is our final answer. That's it. So So moving to the last question of the video, that is more complex. There are 4 numbers. So that is 2 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 1 over 6 multiplied by 1 2 over 10 multiplied by 2 over 7. Now the first thing I'm going to do is convert all the mixed numbers into improper fractions. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 5 over 2 multiplied by 6 times 1 6 6 plus 1 7 over 6 multiplied by 10 times 1 10 10 plus 2 12 over 10 multiplied by 2 over 7. Now what we are going to do is we are going to simplify. Okay. So 5 times 1, 5 times 2, again 2 times 1, 2 times 1, what else? 6 times 1, 6 times 2, again 7 times 1, 7 times 1. I'm using different colors to be more clear, okay? So, and this 2 times 1, here also 2 times 1. Oh, all the things have been simplified, right? So, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Here, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is again 1. 1 over 1 means, what is the answer? Yes, that is also 1. That's it. Very easy, right? So guys, in this part, we have discussed how to do multiplication related to fractions. And in our next video, we are going to do division related to fractions. And after that, we are going to do some complex questions related to all the things we have learned in this fraction lesson. So, let's meet soon. Goodbye.